Hello everyone, I am Gonadhruva Tej. I am a student from KL University, Hyderabad. I'm currently studying in my third year of BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. My university ID is 2210030075. So in this year, I have selected for a course called Cloud-Based Solution Architect. In this course, we have been suggested to present a project. So I selected a project called Serverless Static Website Hosting on AWS S3. This project demonstrates how to deploy and host a fully functional static website using Amazon S3. By leveraging AWS S3's website hosting feature, we eliminate the need for traditional web servers, making the solution highly scalable, cost effective, and serverless. So, in simple terms, I'm going to show you how to host a static website using Amazon S3 and AWS services. So, let's get started. Before going to the actual process, I'll give you a brief explanation how this process works. So first of all, we'll go to our AWS Cloud Console. After that, we'll go to Amazon S3. In Amazon S3, we create a S3 bucket. After creating a S3 bucket, we'll add all our project files. After adding the project files, we'll launch that bucket. Then we'll get an endpoint. If we paste that endpoint in any browser, from there we can host our static website. So let's get started. Before going to the AWS console, I want to show you how the actual static website works. So for static website, I've selected this project. So in this project, I have index.html, app.js, and style.css files. So it's a basic vector algebra calculator website. In this website, we actually calculate vector addition, vector multiplication, and magnitude of two vectors. So let me launch you for this. So we need to launch index.html. So see, this is how our static website works. Let me show you how this. So see, I've given vector one as 111 and other vector as 2 2 2. You can give any numbers. I'm giving just these numbers. So see, if I click on dot product, it calculates dot product. If I click on cross product, it calculates cross product. If I click on magnitude, it gives me the magnitude of these two vectors. And if I can also create a generate distribution graph. See, this is our probability distribution graph. So our task is to host this static website through Amazon S3. So let's get started to the actual project. So this is our AWS console. AWS is Amazon Web Services is a comprehensive cloud computing platform provided by Amazon. This is AWS console. The AWS management console is a web-based interface that allows users to access and manage Amazon Web Services resources. It provides a user-friendly dashboard to interact with AWS services, including computing services like EC2 Lambda, storage services such as S3 and EBS, database services such as RDS and DynamoDB, networking services such as VPC and Route S3, and security services such as IAM and CloudTrail. So from here, we need to go to S3. So type S3 here, S3. So this is Amazon S3. This is Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is a simple storage service, is a highly scalable, durable, and secure object storage service offered by AWS. It allows users to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the internet, making it ideal for backup, archiving, big data analytics, and application hosting. Here we need to create a S3 bucket. So in simple terms, an Amazon S3 bucket is a container for storing objects such as files, data, or metadata in Amazon S3. It provides scalable and secure way to organize and manage data in cloud. Each bucket has a globally unique name and is associated with a specific AWS region, which helps to optimize latency and cost. So after clicking on the create bucket, we need to give a unique bucket name. Please note that our bucket name should not have any capital letters or should not end with special characters. It should have a lowercase letters and it should be globally unique. So let me give, my name is Dhruva, so I'm giving Dhruva's bucket project. You can give any name, but it should be globally unique. Let all this be a default. You should uncheck this block. Uncheck this block. We are unchecking this because to give a public access to all the users. After that, keep everything as default only, and then click on create bucket, sorry. So sorry, you need to acknowledge this. After this, you need to create bucket. It's loading. It may take some time. Our our bucket is successfully created. So now we need to add our project files in this. So let's go. Let's open our bucket. After opening the bucket, you'll find the objects field. Click on upload. Here you need to add our project files. So these are my project files: app.js file, index.html, and style.css. Please note, you can add any HTML file or any file you require for static website hosting. I've selected this for a better approach, for the better UI experience for you all. So after uploading the files, click on the tick mark and click on upload here. We have uploaded our file successfully into this bucket. Now go back. Now go to properties. You should scroll down. You will see the static website hosting column. Click on edit and click on enable. By enabling this, we can host our static website publicly. After that, give index.html. You should give the default page which I have saved the file with. I have saved my HTML file with index.html only, so I'm giving index.html as my file name. Index.html. Click on save changes. Done. Now let's go to permissions tab. So this is permission tab. In permissions tab, you will find bucket policy. You should click on edit. It will take some time. You should type this code here. I'll paste this code in the comment section or in the description. You can find it from there. You should instead of your bucket ARN, you should copy your actual bucket ARN. You can find your bucket ARN here. Copy this and you should paste it here. Control V, it's done. Then click on save changes. So, we have pasted this bucket policy because it gives a public access to all the viewers. So, a user can access this static website and can use this publicly. So, we are done with our permissions. So, let's go to properties again. Scroll down to static website hosting. Here you will find your Amazon bucket website endpoint. So, copy this, open a other tab and paste this. See, now we have successfully launched our static website. Let's test our website. 1, 2, 3. Give any vector your wish. 4, 5, 6. So let me calculate the dot product. Yeah, it's working. It's giving us a dot product, cross product, and magnitude also. And it's also generating a public probability distribution. So this is how you launch a static website in AWS using Amazon S3. But in Amazon, we have after our usage, we need to delete all the objects. In Amazon, it follows a policy pay as you go. So as much your link is active, the Amazon will charge you the amount for that. So it's better if you delete the all your bucket. If you delete all your files from the bucket, so that you will not get charged by anything. First, in order to delete the bucket, first we need to empty the bucket. Go to the bucket, click on empty. See, it will ask you to type permanently delete over there for consent. Please type permanently delete there. Click on empty. Our bucket will be emptied there. Now go exit. Now select our bucket again. Now click on delete. Now our S3 bucket has been deleted permanently. So we are doing this in order to, sorry, you should give your bucket name for consent again. I'm so sorry. Click on delete bucket. So now we have deleted our bucket permanently. We cannot retrieve it back. So we are doing this because Amazon charges a particular amount of fee for the usage of its services. So if we use Amazon S3 bucket for a long time or our endpoint is active for a long time, it may charge us fee. So in order to avoid that, we are deleting all our objects in the S3 bucket. So we are done with our process. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it's helpful for you. I hope you have understood everything which I have told you. This is a basic process. I have explained everything in step by step. If you have any doubts, feel free to post it in comment section. Thank you.